My dear friends, on this graceful morning, it is my privilege and it gives me an immense pleasure to share few concepts on yoga. Friends, let us start the session by chanting three Omkaras, followed by salutation to the great Patanjali Maharshi. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोक्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि Friends, सर्वांग सुंदर व्यायाम प्राचीन भारतीय दंड बैठक एंशंट Indian Dand Baitak. Friends, Dand Baitak is a great treasure of our country, designed by our Rishis and Munis thousands of years back. Thousands of years back. Dand Baitak is a series of yogasanas in the dynamic form. Friends, now any dand, you cannot place the palms and feet as you like and practice. Today we shall see to Hanuman Dand. Now I am sitting in Vajrasana. Vajrasana is a very special asana. This Vajrasana you can practice at any point of time. Even Vajrasana you can practice even after having a full meal. Now, this Hanuman Dand has a special measurement. What is the measurement? The span of the arm length. What is the arm length? From the heel of the elbow, I come to the wrist, plus the length of the palm up to the tip of the middle finger. This is the span of the arm length plus palm length. From the bottom of my right knee, I take the arm length up to the end of the mid finger, then palm length. I place my two palms parallelly completely on the floor. I rise to Parvatasana. This is the mountain pose. From Parvatasana, I come to Dandasana. This is Dandasana, my friends. Now Hanuman Dand. Hanuman Dand in the dynamic form. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. I come to Vajrasana. Now after Shram, Vishram is very, very important. How to relax? I flap my both the arms like a bird flapping its wings. I flap my both the arms like a bird flapping its wings. Friends, I flap my arms like a bird flapping its wings. Vishram is very, very important. Friends, 1 billion. 1 billion is 100 crores. 1 trillion. 1 trillion is 1 lakh crores. Now we have trillions of cells in the body. We want to oxygenate the cells. How to oxygenate the cells? Deeply inhale. Rise both the arms up. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Inhale deeply, go up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, rise both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Now I demonstrate Hanuman Dand in this direction also. Now we need not measure the span of the arm length and palm length physically. Just you slide the two palms parallelly completely on the floor before the shoulder, so that the entire torso lies completely on the two thighs. This is Adho Mukha Virasana or the Balasana child pose. Right? From this you rise to Parvatasana. This is Parvatasana. The back of the two thighs are straight. From Parvatasana you come to Dandasana. Now the dynamic form. Hanuman Dand. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Now I come to Vajrasana. After Shram, friends, Vishram is very, very important. I flap both the arms like a bird flapping its wings. I flap my both the arms like a bird flapping its wings. I flap my arms like a bird flapping its wings. Oxygenating pranayama yukta yoga vyayama is very, very important. Supplying the oxygen to trillions of cells is very, very important. How to oxygenate? Inhale deeply, rise both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, rise both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, rise both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Now this is Hanuman Dand Dhime. Dhime means slowly. Friends, before concluding the session, we shall chant 3 Omkaras followed by a Shanti mantra. I take a deep breath in. Om. Deep breath in. Breath in. शांति मंत्र. ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Rub your palms only 9 times. Make a cup of it. Place it on the closed eyeballs. Biomagnetic plasmic energy sinks through your eyeballs, spreads throughout of your body. Remove the palms. Rub it again only 9 times. Not more than 10 times. Make a cup of it. Place it on the closed eyeballs for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Remove the palms. Open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you very much.